silent. But something still moves inside the structure. Broken floodlights above empty warehouses. Rust-covered pipes disappearing into darkness. Cold smoke drifting through shattered windows. Steel corridors buried beneath shadow. Every room feels occupied tonight, like memories trapped inside machinery. Old conveyor belts frozen in place. Long echoes moving through hollow walls. Hidden motion. Dead systems. Pressure lingering inside the structure. Kick drums crashing through iron chamber. Smoke spiraling beneath crimson strobes. Bodies moving like mechanical apparitions. Lost inside hypnotic repetition. Acid frequencies grinding through darkness. Like sparks trapped beneath rusted steel. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only motion, only shadows, only basslines shaking the floor. Factory ghost. Factory ghost. Cold machine. Cold machine. Silent rail tracks fading into fog. Signal towers blinking through industrial haze. Every reflection feels distant and unreal, like time stopped inside these buildings. Static pressure beneath tired eyes. Metal tension underneath pale skin. Even silence feels mechanical now. Frozen industrial. Disconnected. Ghost signals. Fading systems. No silence. Inside the ruin. the left. Through the floor. The signal feels different tonight. Colder. Slower. Unstable. erupted signal, frozen pulse, pressure crawling through the transmission. Underground chamber smoke spiraling beneath red emergency strobes. Bodies moving like shadow machinery, lost inside hypnotic repetition. Acid frequencies tearing through darkness like electrical fractures through steel veins. Nobody speaks inside this warehouse. Only movement, only shadows, only bassline shaking the floor. Cold transmission, cold transmission, signal lost, signal lost. Platforms under flickering lights, distorted faces inside moving trains. Every reflection feels emotionally distant, like sleep disappeared from the city. Static underneath exhausted eyes, electric tension beneath pale skin. Even breathing sounds synthetic now, mechanical, frozen, disconnected. Collapsing, no silence inside the transmission. Everywhere lately, still walking straight through it. Just discipline under heavy pressure. Before sunrise, late bills, no silence, too many thoughts moving nonstop. Still get up though, still walk back into the fight. That's real strength, not fake speeches online, not empty words for attention. Just surviving another hard week alive. Raise the pressure, raise the sound, feel the warehouse shaking harder, push forward. Stay focused. Turn the struggle into movement. Smoke in the air, bass through the chest, one heartbeat under red lights. Acid tearing through the system, like fear, finally losing control. No easy future waiting outside, but still we keep moving anyway. Concrete floors, shaking non-stop, energy rising, wall to wall. Head up high, head up high, don't stop now. Don't stop now. Full warehouse pressure, industrial chaos everywhere. Kick drums crashing through the smoke. Red lights flashing non-stop. No fake hope, no fantasy endings. Just real people, still standing, still breathing, still alive.